Hey guys, hope everybody's having a good day today. I am back with another video. I've got my juicer going today. You probably saw in the background of my last video. I actually picked up this juicer for 40 bucks on Marketplace the other day, and I've been juicing with it ever since, and it's been working great. So first thing I'm going to be throwing in the juicer is a half a cucumber. I like the cucumber because it just adds a little bit of freshness, and they have a lot more juice on them than you would expect. And then after that, I'm going to put in a half stalk of celery. I don't really like celery too much. It's got kind of a weird flavor in my opinion, but it's good for you, so I throw it in there anyway. After that, I put in a whole carrot. I don't peel it or anything. The juicer works pretty well. It handles pretty much anything I throw at it. On the harder fruits and vegetables, sometimes you gotta kind of hammer things down in there, but it eventually gets through. Here I'm just putting in a little chunk of ginger. Ginger's pretty strong with the flavor, so I just use a little bit. Afterwards, I took the pit out of a plum and put it in there. And then for the next one, I'm putting in an entire orange, peeled of course. After that, I put in a Granny Smith apple. I'm using 2 apples in this juice recipe. I'm using Pink Lady apples and a Granny Smith just for a little bit of tartness. The juicer had a little bit of trouble with the apples, only because they always landed skin side down, so I kind of had to hammer them in there, and they finally went. Put a tomato in. You don't really taste the tomato flavor, but the tomato puts out a lot of juice, and they're good for you, so I put them in there. After that, I throw in a handful of grapes. The grapes go through pretty easily, and they put out a lot of juice as well. After that, just for a little acidity, I put in a half of a peeled lime. And then, I'm not a spinach fan, but I put in an entire handful of the spinach and I couldn't really taste it. And they say it goes really well in juices, so I thought I would try it. They don't put out a lot of juice, but I mean, the color that it put out was super green, so it looked really cool. I promise, guys, this tastes a lot better than it looks. And the fresh juice tends to separate a little bit, so I poured over some ice in a shaker bottle. That way I can shake it up and remix everything from time to time. Other than that, guys, it tastes really good. I enjoy it. Like the video, comment, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next one.